Locomotive. Hey there, BikeBlogger here. We're gonna try to catch a train today. Not gonna get on the train, but we're gonna try to catch a train. An old steam locomotive train. We'll see if we see it on our ride today. It's due by here sometime during lunch. It's lunchtime now. Let's see. Let's see. It is. Oh, sorry. This is a really bumpy road here. 12:42 now. The train is leaving the Kirkwood, Missouri station, I think, in a few minutes. I'm not sure how long it was going to be there. I think it was going to be there for like 30 minutes maybe. It arrived at 12:15. It's supposed to arrive in downtown at 1:30, downtown St. Louis, Missouri. See, people are standing on the, probably where they shouldn't be. They're sitting and standing over there on the railroad property. Not the safest place to be, but we'll probably do the same in a little bit. It's a little windy. I'm going 18.6 miles per hour. There is an app to track this train. Obviously I'm riding my bike, so I'm not going to open up my phone, but we won't miss it, don't worry. Yeah, lots of people. Cool, exciting. Oh boy. Now it begins. Well, I was gonna make some laps as I wait, but it might not work out that way. We shall see. It's pretty busy. I honestly thought this would be a quiet spot, a good spot to catch it, but I might be wrong. So let's just enjoy ourselves for right now. I thought this would be a neat spot to catch it because I can sort of go around over here and then I'm on the other side of the tracks. Obviously when the train goes by, I won't be able to cross back there where I did, but there is a bridge that I go underneath over here, so I can get to the other side. Quite a few people. See, 12:45 now. We'll cross under here again. There's a couple stop signs, otherwise not so bad. We'll just keep making laps until the train comes. Ugh. I don't really expect it for another 15 minutes. Goofy thing. ahead. It's gonna slow me down. Dun, 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 dun. So the topic for today, steam locomotive. Yeah, you can see quite a few people hanging around up here. Pretty good location because you're down at, you know, eye level with the train. I was thinking of going to Webster Groves, Missouri to catch it, but I think there'd be a much better view here. It's not as many obstructions, i.e. trees and stuff. Let's go again. Like my own private event, except no one's cheering me on. It's okay. It is a little strange. I'm like the only cyclist here. So that is lap number 2. That one took a bit longer because the police SUV in front of me was going sort of slow, making sure people aren't up to no good. But as I pointed out, everybody is trespassing and setting up chairs and stuff right there on the property, the green space of the. This is a Union Pacific locomotive. 844. It was like the last one manufactured for Union Pacific back in 1944. That was during the Second World War. So each lap has taken me like 4 minutes. So I probably have to make a few more laps. It's like when people stop to look at fireworks. I know what's gonna happen. People are just gonna stop on the road. And it's gonna be harder to get past. Right now it's not so bad, it's just windy. So some fun facts. This train is supposedly 115 feet long. The whole thing weighs over 900,000 pounds. The engine itself, the engine car, weighs almost 500,000 pounds. So this is a big honking piece of metal. Whew. It's getting closer. It's 12:50 now. What's this guy doing? That guy said it left Webster 10 seconds ago. So, and we're right near Webster, which means it's coming. I don't know, should I try to do one more lap? Because I actually am thinking of going somewhere else that's sort of a little bit ways from these people. might be a little quieter. Alright, I think I might do one more lap. Hopefully I can make it around. Hopefully I can make it around in time. Because I got to get over those railroad tracks before they close the gates as it passes through. But if that guy's right and it just left Webster, maybe he meant Kirkwood. If he meant Kirkwood, then it's still got a ways to go. $12.52. I guess this will be the last lap, and then I'm going to try to go somewhere else. I don't want to miss it though, you know, after all this. Whew. It's exciting. You're gonna see a train. Pretty soon now, maybe. Alright. Just gonna cross the tracks one more time here if I get a chance. Quite a lot of people here. Alright. I think I might hear something. Alright. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to go on the other side of this neighborhood. We're going to see if we can get a good glimpse over here. If I had to guess, there's going to be quite a few people over there too, though. It's just that it's a residential road, less known. So there might be only local residents over there. Let's get over there though. Whew. Plenty hot. $12.55. My guess is it'll be here in 5 minutes. And this guy, no. Let's go this way. Yeah, people are waiting over here. Any minute now. It's in Webster Groves right now. I hear it. Here it comes. Woo. There it is. Steam locomotive. Oh yeah. Train. Woo! Union Pacific 844. Cool.